So your face is all painted in with all of its lights and darks. And now you guys are going to move on to doing the lips, if you can see your teeth, and the eyes. So you're going to want to create, again, another layer upon which to do the lips, teeth, and eyes. Now, you guys can, change your eye color if you want. You can change your lip color if you want. But you're going to need to use a light, a medium, and a dark color. Now, I will say that I have had the most personal success using the regular lip and teeth color. And how do you pick a color? Well, if you go to your colors and you hold on the color, you're going to get this little color picker. If you hover over the area you want, that will automatically give you the color. Then you guys can go in and you can start again feathering in the direction you want to go. And every few seconds, you're going to want to change. So you're going to hold the color picker, and then you're going to start putting in the colors where you want to put them. Again, try to paint in the direction. Same thing with the teeth. You're going to hover over the teeth area, and you're going to start painting in the direction you think the teeth would be growing. Move on to the next tooth, and start painting in the direction. Now remember, you're going to lose track of where you're painting. So you're going to need to turn off your layers, see what you haven't painted, and then come back to it. The same process goes for the eyes. You're going to want to zoom way into the eyes. You're going to hold the color picker. You're going to pick the area. You're going to start coloring in your eyeball, and then you're going to grab the color picker. You're going to zoom in, and you're going to start coloring in your eyes. Remember to pick colors every minute or so because you want to be as accurate as possible. And again, make sure to turn on and off your background to see how much of this that you guys have or have not done. Now, when you are all finished, I have already done this for you. You should have all of your eyes and lips colored in. And again, if you can turn off the background, you will see that I have all the skin, eyes, lips, and teeth done. And now we're going to move on to the hair and to the clothing.